going to pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's, even though my parents said no. Ha 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 ha. This should activate in 5 seconds.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have a toy, please? Oh no, the fire alarm just rang on. Can you check? Okay, I will check. The fire alarm just rang on. Can you go check? Okay, I will go check and see.
Put cheese or cheese head and horse legs arms or snow seen hands put Burris wool in figures and horse legs arms or snow seen hands put toad brigade put green toad put red.
Well, I heard a fire alarm. Mr. Draper, can you check the fire alarm before we head out? Okay, I will take a look. Oh, I see. And there is the remote strobe in the bathroom. Stop it right here, young man. Young man, what did you do with the fire alarm?
Okay, I just pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's.
Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? That's it. I am calling your parents right now. Hello. You will not believe that your son Junior just pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's. Can you please pick him up? And now he is going to be in deep trouble. Bye. Come on, Junior. Let's go home right now. Junior, we can't believe that you pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's. That's it. You're grounded for 4, 6, 8, 7, 1, 2, 2, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6, 5, 8, 9, 2, 8, 7, 9, 2, 7, 8, 7, 8, 5, 4, 8, 9, 5, 4, 8, 9, 9, 9, 0, 0, 7, 8, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 years. Go to your room now and never come out ever again.